Hey, it's Pete. Welcome back to the workshop. So I got a package today. This should be the new external enclosure for our Master Mite Heat gun. I'm going to get this thing opened up and see what it's going to take to swap the internal parts from the old one into this new one and see if this comes complete with everything I need or if I'm going to have to get something else to finish the project. So it looks like we've got the case, some new decals, and some hardware. There definitely was a change in the design of the switch. The old case had notches at the top and the bottom to hold the switch. The new case only seems to have a notch at the top. I'm going to check the website and see if the switch they currently sell for this looks like this or if it's something else. Okay, it appears like on the newer model, this is actually a rocker switch that goes in here. So I may have to replace that just to make it work with this housing, because the housing is slightly different. And again, this is, like I said, the serial number on this says 288. So I don't know if that's second month of 88 or exactly what it is. I don't think the new ones even have serial numbers on them. Never been clear on how that's supposed to float in there and just stay in place while you move everything around. Might be easier if we install everything in this side. This stuff all works its way around here and goes into this slot here. And that this goes down in there with this screw in it. And that holds the motor in and is the ground. And that comes just flush with the surface, so I would say that that is correct. These all have to get pushed down into the handle. These all just hang out in the back. And this is going to get routed around here. Goes in the hole. Hooks in there. Goes like that. And that goes into that slot there to hold it in place. Getting close here. Hey, it's hot. I think I'm going to have to order the different switch because this does not fit in there quite right. And we don't have it quite together properly, but I'm not going to really fool with that until I get done fooling with that switch. So I guess we're going to have to leave it like this for now and see about getting that switch ordered. Well, about 2 weeks have gone by since that last bit of video footage, and I contacted the company. Turns out I do need an updated switch to be able to use the new style of housing. Ordered that, and it came in here. Awful big box for such a small little switch, but we got it. And going to get that installed, as well as looking back at the video footage, I noticed that there were 2 screws that I had transposed their locations, so we're going to get those switched around as well. And here we go. Well, they sent 2 switches. Well, I ordered 1. 2 of these switches would be a lifetime supply. Unless they were just stuck together. Now, this is going to require some soldering to install this. Okay, I found the drawing. It's pretty simple, actually. And I need to take this off. This is actually one of the screws that I think I got wrong. I think the silver one is supposed to go here, and this screw is actually for the ground wire inside of the case. So we'll switch them around, but I gotta take it all apart anyways here. Okay. I have a warm, fuzzy feeling about this connector. That's the lamp there. That's the heater, so we'll move that out of the way. Actually, the heater should go on first, because it's going to be on the bottom. The incoming hot wire has to go to the top of the switch. So the whole switch had to be flipped upside down. And that's just a little bit tight. Let's see, this has to come through here. And that has to go in there. And the switch itself has to... They've been building the same gun, obviously with a few modifications like the power switch, since the 1960s. Plug this in. And that's cool. And then heat. My lights up. Yep, okay. So there's that. Turn on. That's perfect. So there's the original. All of its broken pieces. It goes here. Now have a functioning heat gun. Okay, that's it. Final test is to use it for its intended purpose, heat shrinking tubing. I had several pieces on the CNC retrofit that were left behind when the gun broke, and it seems as good as new. Now, I know that I could have purchased a new gun for cheaper than what this repair cost, but I've had this for so long, it's like an old friend. I also like the idea of supporting a company that still offers repair parts in this disposable world. Hey, if you're a fellow tinkerer, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you want to catch up on some of my other projects, click that link to the left and I'll see you over there.